day is it?
Mother's Day.
It's like 6 in the morning. Someone came in at 5:30.
No, I did not.
And got told to bugger off. She got told to bugger off. Yeah, it's Mother's Day. Sausage boy is not awake yet.
No.
Ari's just got up.
No, I was awake in my bed.
Okay. Ari had a big cry last night, didn't you, Ari? Because you lost my Mother's Day card. But then where have you found it?
I found it in my bed.
In your bed. Because
Why did you hide it in your bed? I didn't hide it in my bed. I put it on my windowsill.
See. So, I feel like crap. I'm all snotty and my throat is really sore today. So, I just want to have a relax one. I need to go and make some mashed potato to go on the top of the shepherd's pie. Mum and Josh are coming around about 11 and then we're eating for lunch at like 12:30, 1. I'm just so tired. Oh. I need to take the pudding out of the freezer as well. I got a salted caramel cheesecake. I thought you'd like that. Yeah, I'll talk to you in a bit. What does Rara say? What did you just say to Mummy?
Happy Mother's Day.
What did you get, Mummy? You show me what you got me. A lot of orange. Did you chuck it at Mummy? Thank you. Say,
Mama, I put it here.
oh, thank you very much.
For you.
Should we change your boons?
Yeah.
And then get your sister's presents, yeah?
They're my present.
You don't get presents today. Just Mummy.
Like, oh.
Can you give the camera a kiss for me? Fussy. Did you do a kiss? Ooh. 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 Oh dear. Let's change your boons. Right. Who's going first? Oh, wow.
Mama, I got
Cute kitty. I love you, the best mama from Ari. Thank you. Oh, is this your card that you made?
Yeah.
A teapot.
Look inside it.
A tea bag. Enjoy a cup of tea on Mother's Day. Love from Aria. Thank you. I love it. And a candle. Oh, a Yankee candle. Oh, it's lavender. Mummy loves lavender. Oh, that smells amazing.
There was cherry and vanilla. It smelled good.
They sound amazing too, but that's beautiful. Thank you, Ari. I love you.
Miko's got loads of stuff for you.
A wonderful mug. Thank you. I love it. You know I love these cups, don't you? Yeah. Did you get this from school?
Yeah.
Well, Mika's school had a pop-up shop for Mother's Day.
For you.
What did you make?
Something. I got
What is that? Mermaid. Whose bum was that?
boxes.
Sausage.
Mama, I made that for you.
You made this for me. Mermaid dust. Wow, blueberry. That looks amazing. I might have a bath in a little while. Thank you.
Mama, I made that for you.
Let me...
Right. Mama.
Stay there.
Mama.
Stay there.
Mama, I made that for you.
You made that for me. Thank you. For the best mum in the world on Mother's Day, do you know what's so special about a mummy like you? Just about everything. To Mummy, I love you so much. You are everything to me and you are the best mummy in the world and I love you. Love from Mika. Hope you have an amazing day. And look at that. You guys are the cutest. Thank you.
I got something for you next.
Oh, look at that. A little magnetic notepad. I can put that on the fridge.
Oh, I made a pen.
Thank you. Are you still going, me? Oh my goodness, Mika. How much stuff did you make? Happy Mother's Day. Oh look, it's me and Mika.
Sorry,
To Mummy, I love you so much. Happy Mother's Day. You're the best mummy in the whole world.
Mama,
I love you from Mika. Thank you. And another card. Super Mummy. Mummy with her super hair.
I made something for Mama.
Making the food. Understanding me when I am sad. Missing me when I am at Daddy's. Making sure I smile. You're the best mummy in the world. I love you so much. You're the best mummy ever that I could ever want. And the best mummy in the world. Love from Mika and Fox. Oh, thank you. Fox. He just keeps farting. Sausage.
Hot chocolate.
A hot chocolate. Lucky mummy. Thanks. What's that? What's the matter?
Mama, I'm not giving anything to me.
I know, but you got mummy a chocolate orange, didn't you? Oh god, I look rough as shit. Oh. What's this? Oh, it says Mama. That the kids all call me Mama. I love that. That's going on my keys.
And two of the same.
Bracelets. Oh wow. That one says love. And that one's a really pretty green one. Thank you. I love them.
They don't look a bit like crystals.
I do.
Mama.
There we go.
Mama.
Thanks, baby. I love them. What a spoiled mummy I am. Thank you so much. Right, come here and I want a cuddle from everybody. All together. You get in this bit. What a lucky mummy I am.
Are you Foxy sandwich?
Yeah. What is that face? What a funny sausage boy you are. I feel very lucky and spoiled. So we're going to go downstairs and I'm going to try and teach those two how to make me a coffee. At what age are they allowed to make you a coffee? Like,
Oh, go.
you definitely can't. Oh, I'm so rough.
I know, it's me.
All right, poo caller. What is it?
A catty.
A kitty cat.
A catty.
I know where they're going.
A catty is no word.
Says the girl who says remember.
Remember. Mama. Remember.
Come on, you're not having any more Coke.
Right. Are you
'Cause you
scared
don't-
of
you're
me?
I'm a boiling.
Come on, Sodge.
Pick one.
We have got
What's my name?
bear poo.
Bear poo. Sodge got bear poo. Sodge has got bear poo,
Got
obviously.
bear poo. Got bear bum.
I am very scared.
What?
You know the photos we used to take?
Yeah, they're right.
May.
Yay!
Ready, Fox Man?
Yeah.
Oh, nearly.
So close.